Good noon. I'm here at exclusive island with white sand beach somewhere in Bicol. May I to you in this exclusive place with a very clear turquoise blue sea. Look at here, so wide, and the other islands are also white sand and here so beautiful. Very few people. It's noonday, so I'm having this red hood. Look at the water. It's turquoise and navy blue. Look, look, no people around. It's only me and just the two of my companion there. Look. Mm-hmm. See?